Here is the Honda Fit. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Honda emblem, is a secondary release lever. You can put one finger in there and then push it left. See, this is how it works. So while it's pushed left, lift up the hood, and this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot with the arrow marking it, and then let it go, and now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right there is where the engine air filter is. We need to take this cover off, which is held in place by 4 clips. 1, pull it back and get it back. That's good. Now 2, pull this one back and get it back as well. 3, pull it back, and 4, right over there. Good. Now we can get this cover off, but this cover has to come off of this hose, this flex hose right over here. Good. So you just grab onto the hose and then pull the cover off. It'll come right out. It slides off. Now there's a little handle over here on the side to lift up the filter. Lift it up and out it comes. The bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. That's why the dirt is trapped. The top side is the clean side. As you can see, there's no dirt over here on this used filter as well. Outside air comes from the bottom, dirt gets trapped, and then clean air from the top goes in the engine. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And just note the position of the filter when you're putting it in. That little handle should be right where I'm showing. It should be this orientation. Otherwise it won't set in properly. Good. Now let's put this cover back in place. Now hold on to the cover, hold on to the hose with the other hand, and just slide it on, and it'll go right back on. At this point you'll be able to get this cover in place. And now let's secure it using the 4 clips. Note the position of this bottom part of the clip. See where it goes in? Right over there. It needs to go in position there first, and only then will you be able to twist it and lock the clip in place. Same thing right there. Just get it there and then twist it to lock it. Twist and lock. Twist and lock the last one. And now let's see. This is now moving, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, first push on it, get the rod out of that slot, put it back in its place, and then push it down to secure it. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.